Welcome to our Python tutorial on functions. In this video, we'll explore how to create and use reusable functions in your Python programs. You'll learn how to define and call functions, pass arguments, and return values. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to write more efficient and organized code using functions. Have you ever found yourself writing the same code over and over again in your Python programs? This can lead to code repetition, making your programs longer and more difficult to maintain. That's where functions come in. They allow you to reuse code and make your programs more efficient. So, how do you define a function in Python? A function is defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parameters in parentheses. The code inside the function is indented and executed when the function is called. Now that we've defined our function, let's see how to call it. To call a function, simply type the function name followed by the arguments in parentheses. In this case, we're calling the greet function with the argument John. When writing functions, it's essential to follow best practices. One of the most important things is to choose a descriptive and meaningful function name. This will make your code easier to read and understand, and help others understand what your function does. In summary, functions are a powerful tool in Python that allow you to reuse code and make your programs more efficient. By defining and calling functions, you can simplify your code and make it easier to maintain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.